Using mirrors effectively is crucial for semi-truck drivers to ensure safety on the road. With larger blind spots and limited rear vision, truck drivers rely on their mirrors to monitor surrounding traffic, check for hazards, and make sure you have a safe lane change when making turns. Proper use of side mirrors and convex mirrors helps drivers to maintain awareness of other vehicles and pedestrians, especially these mirrors on the side of our hoods. It helps reducing the risk of accidents and improving overall road safety. I do regular checks on both of my mirrors and make sure they set to the point where I'm sitting at so I can maintain control and ensure smooth navigation, especially in congested areas. These small four-wheelers will get up on the side of you so fast that when you get ready to make that turn, if you don't have that system on your truck, like the bend that system, where it make that buzz when you get ready to go from lane to lane, you will not see them. Sometimes those side mirrors is on the left and the right side of your hood. Sometimes they make objects appear farther away than what they really is. So I also like the mirrors that's at the top, and I'm gonna eventually get me some of those. But the ones that's sitting on my left side of the hood and on my right side of the hood have saved me from crushing some of these cars, because they see your blinkers, because I got like 3 of them on the right side and they steady blinking. But us as Class A drivers, you know, we the last line of defense. No matter how much the four-wheeler is at fault, they're gonna blame us. Y'all stay safe, stay blessed. Trucker Blues, I'm out. 100.